Hi mga friends, let me share with you our analytics sa YouTube. So nakita natin this afternoon. So yung one of the new countries watching our blog is France. So shout out to France. Thank you for watching our blog, our video. So siguro we have a kabayan in France watching us. Sana you're learning from our Bible lessons, our travels, our mukbang. So France is a country in Western Europe. So ano siya, medieval city. So ibig sabihin ancient, 'di ba? Ano pa 'yun? Alpine villages and Mediterranean beaches. Yan, nakalimutan natin i-search. What is Mediterranean beaches? Alam natin beaches, syempre, it's a place where you can swim and enjoy yung waves, the beauty of nature, beautiful sunsets. And the capital of France is Paris. So, nandun din si Eiffel Tower. So, yan, one of our bucket list is to eventually, visit Paris, di ba, in France. Just like most tourists. So, ang president nila is Emmanuel Macron. So, thank you for the people of France watching our vlog. So, sana you have learned lessons, you are enjoying our travels, our mukbangs, and family moments that we are always sharing with you. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.